Hi everyone, today we are making Nigerian white soup. This soup is loved and cherished by so many. So here I have my goat meat already washed. I'm going to now add in the stock fish, and then I will be adding some diced onion, seasoning powder, and some salt. I'm going to allow that cook until it is very soft. Meanwhile, we are going to be using yam as thickener for this soup. So I'm going to be adding the yams already peeled and washed together with the proteins to cook until very soft. I will add in more water, enough to cook the yam and the proteins. I will now cover and allow to cook. Now the yam is very soft. I'm going to remove it and pound it in a mortar into a very smooth paste. Mind you, if you don't have this local mortar, you can use your food processor to process the yam to a smooth paste. After removing the yams, I'm going to cover and allow the proteins to continue cooking. Now I'm going to add in the dry fish, already washed. I will add more water, add some fresh peppers, add some dried crayfish, and I'm adding ogiri. This is called ogiri. It is a local spice. I'm also adding pepper soup spice. Now I'm going to cover it up and allow that to come to a boil. Now it has started boiling. I'm going to now add in the pounded yam. I'm going to cut them into smaller bits like so and add that in. Remember, this is going to serve as a thickener for the soup. After that, I'm going to cover and allow to cook so that the pounded yam will melt easily. After a few minutes, I'm going to give that a good stir to make sure that the pounded yam has melted completely. At this point, the soup is ready. It does not take much time. So now I will just garnish with some vegetable. Normally, you can use Oha Leaf, but if you don't have Oha Leaves, you can use spinach. So in this one, I'm using spinach because I don't have Oha Leaves in my location. So guys, this is what we've got. Enjoy your white soup with pounded yam or fufu. It's so yummy, it's so delicious, and it is very easy to prepare. So now tell me, are you going to be trying this? Let me know what you think about this recipe. Remember to like, comment, share, and subscribe to this channel for more if you have not. Thank you so much for watching this video up to this point. Hope to see you again in my next one. Bye-bye.